How to create a new Microsoft account. If you want to create a new Microsoft account, this video will show you how to set one up step by step. First, open your preferred web browser and search for Microsoft Account. Open the official Microsoft account page and click Sign In. If you don't already have an account, click No Account, Create One. Next, under Enter Your Email Address, enter your preferred email address, then click Next. Now, verify your email address by entering the code sent by Microsoft. Enter your country or region and date of birth, then complete the verification process to confirm that you're not a robot. Once the verification is complete, follow any remaining on-screen instructions to finish setting up your account. Your new Microsoft account is now ready to use, and you can access Microsoft services using your new account. That's how you can create a new Microsoft account. If you find this video informative, click on like, share, and subscribe for more videos.